Hey class, Miss Martins here. So here is the video that I promised explaining a visual how-to on how to create your blogs. So let's get started. So I'm going to use Bblock as an example. So you'll see that this is Bblock, but it's the same for C&D. You'll just have a different access code, which I included. So this is on the classroom, right? So you're going to first go to the join, right? So I already added that in here. Now it asks you for a code. So I'm going to go to the assignment page, right? I have the access code there. Also in the description here. Just take the join code. I'm just going to paste that. I'm going to press join. And like I say in the directions, I want you to sign up with your Google account. So let's sign up with my Google account. Now I'm not going to use my FA account because I'm already in as the teacher. All right, so I will show you what it would look like otherwise. So I'm going to come in and successfully joined. Awesome. And then this is, right, Bblock, but it also would look same if it's C or D. So you're going to click on it. And I'm in. All right. So notice that it's myself and myself again. So what you are going to do once you're here is you are going to go to new post, okay? And it's going to come up like this. The cool thing about this is you have lots of choice in how you design it and everything. So first, let's add a title. So we'll do CE number 1, and let's say that my country was America, so I'm going to put America. No one's doing that one. And the cool thing is you can change all these fonts. So I'm going to go with Roboto Slab, right? So then it changes it here. Okay, I can change my header. I go to headers. There's all different options. Rows, because. All right. Pick any color you'd like, any design you'd like. And now here's where you're going to upload your current events essay. So you can either upload it if it's a document that's not on Google Drive. It is on Google Drive. You are going to embed your Google Drive document. So it says connect to Google Drive. All right, I'm going to connect it to my account. Okay, I say allow. And then I'm going to go into current events, essay guidelines, just because that's a fair thing to have up. Okay, and notice the whole thing, whole thing comes up exactly the way it's formatted in your Google Doc, which is awesome. Okay, now if you're not ready to publish it, you can choose to press draft. If you want to get feedback from me beforehand, right, you would go to review, which is what we'll be doing going forward, not with the ones I've already assessed and given you a rubric. You can change the font. What you must make sure to do is select your category. So depending on what essay it is. So I'm going to say this is my first essay. Okay, notice that it comes up here. And let's say I'm going to hit publish. Okay, and this is going to be for your fellow classmates. Okay, let's say publish. All right, so it's up. I'll get an email like I just did saying that you published it. All right, so let's go back to the class. And there is my current event. So you'll see that I have my nice little title and my header. And then as you look at it, there it is. All right, so that is all you're going to worry about for now. Eventually, Once everybody makes theirs, I'll teach you guys with a video how to make comments, but I think you've got enough to worry about in the beginning. So if you guys have any questions, email me. Otherwise, I'll see you in class. Take care.